Sustain through discipline, participation, and service to the people. True progress and is achieved not through work alone, but through consistent and dedicated action. In the spirit of constitutional responsibility and democratic government, the Kargil Autonomous Council has endeavored to translate national ideas to tangible outcome at the grassroots level, guided by the participants of inclusive growth, social justice, and sustainable development. The Council has undertaken several initiatives during the past year of the strengthened public services, expert procedure, empowerment youth, improve the quality of life of our people. I would now like to neatly highlight some of the key event development intervention undertaken across the various sectors and under the Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong jurisdiction. True progress and achieve not through work alone, but through constant and dedicated action. Education is the backbone of our society. Society develop, society advance, everything depends upon to education. Without education, we cannot do anything. So, education is the top priority of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. On 28 November 2025, the Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya was inaugurated at Lilith with the objective of strengthening access to quality education for girls for rural and disadvantaged backgrounds. On 14 October 2025, the Model Residential School at Dolamara under the Thok Constancy was inaugurated, provided model educational facility to students from remote areas, including hostels facility. On 15 November 2025, the Ekoloibo Model Residential School at Donghap under normative constancy the community's academic activities to promote excellence in education among the tribal students. This Ekoloibo School total estimated amount 50 crores. Further, on 22nd January 2026, the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Vidyalaya was inaugurated at Hotkoti, Borjang. Those institutions reflect our long-term commitment to human resource development, recognizing that education is the most sustainable foundation of social and economic progress. Healthcare. In the healthcare sector, significant steps have been taken to remove access to quality model services. In September 2025, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, inaugurated the 150-bedded district hospital at Bhangen, strengthening secondary healthcare infrastructure in the region. In addition, construction work of the Difu Cancer Hospital is presently full progress. Upon the completion, it will substantially enhance specialized model medical care and facilities for the people of the district and West Karbi Anglong district. Healthcare is not a matter of privilege, it is a fundamental public responsibility. Roads and connectivity infrastructure development continues to be the key area of focus. On 22nd December 2025, in fulfillment of commitment made during the MEC election, the following projects were inaugurated: RCC Bridge, our Amreng Bridge, improvement of road from Kheroni to Rongpangbong to Jirigende, total 36 km length. At present, major projects under progress include construction of Difu flyover, Lahorian Langhonjar, Singthong, Amrik, Government Degree College, Assam Mala roads from Tumpeng Dongkamokam to Hamren, RCC bridge at Delapura over Kopli River at Tumpeng, improvement of connectivities, these and vital roads in facilitating trade, education, and healthcare access and overall regional development, skill and livelihood development to enhance employment opportunity for youth. The new ITI Polytechnic Institute at Kalibot Borjan under Borjan Consultancy was inaugurated in August 20. Under the PMK VY 4.0 scheme, the Kargil Autonomous Council was undertaken to provide skill training to 7,200 youths across Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong district in trades such as electricity, CCTV installation, mobile accessories, repair, computer hardware, technology, battery system assembly, and with application development, tourist and hospitality services. Furthermore, an MOU has been signed with Better Place Bangalore facility placement of trained candidates. This initiative aims to strengthen employment, productivity, and income generation among the youth. Social security under the Mukhyamantri Mahila Udyamita scheme, check distribution was being carried out as follows. Karbi Anglong district, Difu LA 24,660 beneficiaries, Hyderabad LA 33,811 beneficiaries, total 58,471 beneficiaries under East Karbi Anglong district. Under Difu and Hyderabad LA constituency, West Karbi Anglong Rongkhang LA 18,986 beneficiaries, Amri 14,884 beneficiaries, total West Karbi Anglong district 33,869 beneficiaries. Those measures ensure direct financial support to eligible citizens, strengthening security and household stability. Land right for Timia Kema. Since the institutional office, 5,61,676 land quota were issued across 4 revenue circles, will include Portimia Kimang 1,000,000 we are total of Portimia Kimang 2.0 1 lakh total at present 7 lakhs 61,676 land quota already issued under Portimia Kimang. Support to Purusa, a total Purusa Raphan, Karbi, Aronbari, Honghari, Kakli Kaphejo, Atuma Phan, Karbi Atum, Portimi, Hola so Portimi Ram Dodulo Pupen, Cheklo Arni Dolo Pupen, Karbi Atum.